Try this. Find somebody who's spent a few days in the hospital. Make sure that they're healthy afterwards, right? And ask to work on their liver. They will have that shoulder trigger point, because I spent 3 days in the hospital and I was given, without knowing, 22 different drugs. 22 different drugs. Could you imagine the stress that puts on your liver? Because any drug that you take at all is going to try to be metabolized by your liver. Any drug that you take by mouth, half of it's going to be gotten rid of by your liver. Your liver's trying to get rid of that synthetic material. So your liver gets way overworked synthesizing the chemicals, but also trying to get rid of synthetic chemicals. So treat anybody that's been in a hospital for a few days. They're going to have tons of drugs. And that's, by the way, 22 different drugs, not 22 times. Those multiple drugs, multiple times. So imagine the stress. So I got out of the hospital. I'm like, Mel, my shoulder's murdering me. I couldn't even get out of bed. My shoulder's just killing me. I need you to work on my shoulder. She worked everything and nothing helped. And that's when I remembered, oh, the liver has that trigger point. So she went into my liver, just did one swipe, and I asked her to stop. The most intense feeling I got over my shoulder. It was horrible. Worked on it, nice and gentle, got rid of it, shoulder was fine. It had nothing to do with shoulder muscles, 100% a trigger point for my liver.